This is the battle of our time, Kajabi versus Skool. And the real question is simple. Is Skool really the so-called Kajabi killer? I've built on both platforms for months. I've seen where each one shines, and I've seen where each one breaks. So let's be clear up front. Kajabi is the business platform, built for creators who need structure and systems. Skool is the community engine, built for creators who want engagement, retention, and momentum. And before we get into the details, let me be upfront. I'm an affiliate for both platforms. My goal isn't to push you into either one, it's to help you avoid choosing the wrong one. By the end of this video, you won't just understand the difference. You'll know exactly which platform your business should run on. My goal is simple: help you make a smart choice without wasting time, money, or momentum. To help you decide, I've linked extended 30-day free trials for both Kajabi and Skool. Choosing the wrong platform usually means rebuilding things later, and nobody has time for that. Most people know within 48 hours which one feels right. So try them, click around, feel the difference for yourself. Now, let's start with the simplest, most important difference: what these platforms actually do. First up is Kajabi, and you have to think of it as the business platform. It's built from the ground up to replace your entire tech stack. It's your website builder, it's your blog, it's your email marketing system, it's your sales funnel builder, your course platform, your payment processor, and your analytics dashboard, all under one roof. Kajabi is designed to solve the tech stack headache. If you've ever tried to connect 5 different tools, you know the pain. Kajabi is the answer to that. But because it does so much, it comes with more moving parts, which is great for established businesses, but overwhelming for brand new creators. Kajabi is where you build your business. Then you have Skool, the community engine. It's built for one thing: to create an engaged, active, value-driven community. You get a clean community feed, your courses, a calendar, and a group chat. That's it, just what you need. And it's just as important to know what Skool doesn't do. No website, no email marketing, no blog, no funnels. And that's intentional. Skool is designed to solve the low engagement problem. If your Facebook group feels like a ghost town, Skool is the answer. Skool keeps things simple because simplicity is what drives engagement. When the platform gets out of your way, your community comes to life. Skool is where you lead your people. And here's the key: you're not comparing 2 similar platforms. You're comparing 2 completely different strategies. This single difference impacts everything, especially the price. Let's talk about the friction point. Kajabi's pricing is built around one thing: scaling your business. Kickstarter plan, $89 per month. Basic plan, $179 per month. Growth plan, $249 per month. Pro plan, $499 per month. Annual billing is cheaper, monthly billing is higher. Kajabi's long-standing promise is 0% transaction fees. And that's still true if you use Kajabi payments. Kajabi isn't selling a course platform. It's selling you an entire business infrastructure. If you're running funnels, landing pages, email marketing, and automations, Kajabi is a bargain. It replaces 5 or 6 different tools, and all of it works seamlessly together. But if you only need a course and community, Kajabi becomes bloated and expensive. It's the wrong tool for a simple job. Then you have Skool, famously simple. $99 per month pro plan, everything unlimited. $9 per month hobby plan, perfect for new creators. Skool also has its own payment system: 10% fee on the hobby plan, 2.9% fee on the pro plan. And Skool handles sales tax and international fees automatically. Skool keeps pricing flat because they're not trying to be everything. They're trying to be the best at one thing. If your biggest problem is getting people to actually participate, Skool outperforms everything because all activity happens in one feed. This is why coaches, consultants, and membership owners love it. Kajabi replaces your business infrastructure. Skool replaces your community environment. But price doesn't matter if the features don't deliver. So let's compare the 2 biggest ones. On Kajabi, the course builder is advanced. It's designed for professional, structured training. You get polished assessments, advanced quizzes, and official certificates. Kajabi lets you build an entire customer journey: onboarding, automation, upsells, coaching workflows, all inside your course. It's the clear choice for premium coaching programs. certifications, or courses that need depth and structure. But that power comes with complexity. You'll spend more time building and organizing because Kajabi gives you more tools. On Skool, the course platform is simple. Video, text, resources, that's it. Clean, distraction-free, with drip content. The course is built to support the community, not replace it. Skool keeps the course simple on purpose. The engagement happens in the community, not the curriculum. If you run cohorts, challenges, memberships, or group coaching, Skool's layout keeps people active every single day. Inside Kajabi, the community is a feature, but it's not the focus. It works, but it often feels separate and secondary. Inside Skool, the community is the product. And this is where Skool wins, hands down. Levels, points, leaderboards, gamification fuels daily engagement. The calendar and reminders build habits. And the one-feed experience makes the whole platform simple, clean, and addictive. Most creators who switch to Skool aren't switching for features. They're switching for momentum. So let's summarize this with total clarity and from real experience. I've seen creators win on both platforms, and I've seen creators struggle on both. Kajabi is for you if you're an established creator, you're selling structured info products, you need funnels, email, automations, and full business infrastructure. You're building or scaling, not dabbling. Kajabi is not for you if you're a brand new beginner. You only need a simple course and community. You're not ready for systems or automation. Skool is for you if you're a coach, consultant, community leader, or membership owner. You want real engagement without complicated software. You want momentum and simplicity. Skool is not for you if you need advanced funnels, a full website, or built-in email marketing. You try to use it as an all-in-one business system. There's no wrong choice. There's only the right choice for where you are right now. Kajabi is for builders. Skool is for leaders. Whatever you choose, make sure it supports where your business is headed, not just where it is today. So the choice is yours. Do you need the business platform or the community engine? If you need the business platform, start with Kajabi's 30-day free trial. If you need the community engine, start with Skool's 30-day free trial. Both links are in the description. And remember, Kajabi helps you build systems. Skool helps you build people. You'll know within 48 hours which one feels right. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.